Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we'll see how to swap two columns in Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet application in which the layout of the workspace is in the form of rows and columns. When working with data in Excel, you may need to swap two columns. This could be either to put the columns in order or to make the data a little more presentable and easier for the reader to understand. So in this example, we have a table in which all these columns seem to be a bit mixed up. So I want to swap them. I'll have to swap the Q1 sales and Q2 sales, and similarly the Q3 and Q4. There are two ways of doing this. The first is to drag and drop the column. So I select the column by clicking on the column header and move the mouse. When it changes into the move pointer, I click that, press the shift key, and then drag it to the left and release. Now it's very important to press the shift key because if you don't, it will drag the column, but it will overwrite the data. So if I had not pressed the shift key, then the Q1 sales would have overwritten the Q2 sales column. Now the other option is to cut out the column. So I need to swap Q3 and Q4. So I'll select Q3, press Ctrl X, or I can right click and say cut from the context menu. Now I want it to come to the left of Q4. So I select Q4, right click, and say insert cut cells. So when that is done, Q3 moves to the left of Q4, the column is inserted, and Q4 moves to the right. So this has the effect of the columns being swapped. These are two ways in which to swap two columns in Excel. Please read the appended article for further guidance.